Pleasant good morning to you all. Hope you all doing well. Welcome back to my channel, beautiful people. Please remember to subscribe, click the notification bell so you all be notified whenever I post a video. So you know some of my topic is politics. And when you don't know me as a Labourite, me not stop saying that. But the people them wonder why you're a Labourite, but you just post with the PNP them I say. Me naturally not post with the Labourite them I say, you know. With the Labourite them I say, the economy them see growing. They are feeling it. They're seeing hospitals, they're seeing roads repaired, they're seeing contracts offered out, they're seeing hospital build, they're seeing police station being upgraded, they're seeing garbage truck, they're seeing buses. Those are some of the main elements of a parish council, the perical road them are sort out. But the reason why I really decide to have to expose the PNP is that their propagandaism, their propagandas, they don't have nothing to campaign on. All they do is sit at the time and say, Juliet Owen's brother do this, Andrew Owen's sister do that, Markie Samuda live down in Westmoreland, but him have vote in a St. Anne's. The IC report is leaked. Remember, everybody are waiting on the report. And Cliff Hughes tease them to the man and say, bank account. And them run up and down and them jump over the wall and them jump over a building and them jump in the water. And trust me, the same Cliff Hughes, the same Cliff Hughes come out now and then get some leak information. The same people them have a problem now. The same people them were running in the morning when nationwide Cliff Hughes say bank account, but me no see it. Them run with it already. The little tip what Cliff Hughes give them. Them run with it. The same Cliff Hughes at the 5 o'clock in the evening come back again and give more detail on the bank account. Everybody said them away upon the report. Nobody never away upon the report, you know. Them never away upon the report because them a plan figure campaign Sunday. And this piece of material here. You understand what I say? So the Prime Minister certified 3 years ago. So the man forgot write over the script. Now, me I talk too long, more you listen to MunchieB. If you don't know name Munchie, she not hold back nothing at all. So Munchie is gonna tell you how she feel about Markie. Listen to Munchie.
Don't want work.
Yeah.
The people them where I tell Julian Robinson say they don't want work, they prefer to go there and miggle. Cause they can't work for minimum wage. Some of them don't even pass primary school. Cause don't go for Julian run, they don't even pass Clancarty High School good. They don't people down there so I go say they don't want work because they don't want work minimum wage. Then if you don't have no education, you don't have no degree, how much money you gonna work?
Munchie, I have a question for you. Okay, you maybe know this question. Tell me something. In Mark Rowling constituency, right?
Yes.
What kind of development in over there? Because someone told that they're still using pit toilet over there. Is it
Mute
true?
your mic, Alex. Boss, you know hear me every day. Mark Jefferson calling constituency. Make I tell you what going down there. Or let me tell you what going on Mark Jefferson calling constituency. Boss.
Yes, it's true.
The people down there, they don't have any light. Then thief light. Then thief water. Then family member will work a float, thief internet box give them and cable box. First thing. Second thing, them beard outside. You know what? Behind zinc.
No,
They don't have no
still
running
doing
water
that?
for beard inside, but they're not inside bathroom.
They
They
still doing
don't have
that?
any flush toilet, they have pit toilet. And the one them not have pit toilet, then do it in a plastic bag and throw it across the free.
Are you
Push it
serious?
down there.
3 mile.
Nastiness down there.
See about a 3 mile.
To which
No.
water run a ground down there. Just like out of Angela Brownberg constituency was a 3 mile out of to them place there. Just like up at Riverton where Anthony Easton run. PNP was some of the nastiest place them in a Kingston.
Marcia, let me get it good. You're talking about in 2024, right?
Yes.
That is happening now?
Of course.
Yes. PNP
Sure.
have somebody nastiest garrison in a town. And the Mark Jefferson Golden, the highest paid politician of the country.
So tell me something. Why not use some of his salary and at least alleviate some
Exactly.
of those
Then
conditions?
them would have dead first. Then rusty teeth would have never shine. You see last time cook food give them. Oh, boss, you never see pitch time at Christmas. Christmas in cook some food give them. And you know what the chicken, I don't know if you know in a PNP days. When best dress cut up the chicken for chicken parts. The little script, the little mince will left off fight. Like for example, they make mistake and cut piece of chicken. They cut it up and they call it stewed chicken and sell under PNP. And that Jefferson buy and cook give the people them in a mass. Stewed chicken with no vegetable. Stewed chicken with white rice with no vegetable. And guess what now? In give them in a bag and no give them no juice and they stand up and they foot and eat the food. You never see picture?
Munchie,
Them savage, you know?
you must make them know so when them attack, if it talk good because when time Julieta and the boss are run food for feed people them, a hotel style food then get.
Yeah, with 2 meat and vegetable in a plate. Me, you never see the picture with Mark Jefferson Golden people them run up in a jungle with the right rice in the box, with the meat just a run pan it like a soup. You know how African people that eat soup with their fufu and so I saw it look it just spread over the rice so no peas none of the rice and the rice soft like they throw too much water to cook it. No vegetable and the people stand up on their foot and eat. I saw Mark Jefferson Golden treat feed people them.
Oh my God. In this
Yes.
2024, right? Holy cow. Yeah, that's crazy though. And the people that still support him.
Of course, because I saw PNP steer. I could have one dog in an orange shirt. The PNP line up and said time come. It's only we labor right when we're upset with the MP here. Oh, me nah vote. Me nah vote come in and get a book voucher. Me nah vote come in and get a care package. And nothing like how they get last month and they don't get this month. Me nah vote come in and get a farm work ticket. Me nah vote come in and get and they're foolish there. PNP only need a box of food.
Munchie, them people who see attacks and live right them, then the pan the fence. And not live right now go talk.
Only thing PNP need for vote, Mark, is a box of food.
The
No,
one them
honestly.
say, the one them
And they don't
right
want no vegetable with pan the food, and they don't want no juice to wash it down.
No,
and they
Munchie.
put on their orange shirt, and they said, time come. Time come,
Munchie.
and they still use spitality, and they don't care.
Munchie. If I could see Wholeness now, I would tell him, ask him one favor. To go over there and just kind of change that for them and show them a different line.
No,
Because they
they
don't know
never say they
better.
don't want it. You mad?
Hmm?
They don't want it. They like the liberty.
No, me not believe that, man. They don't know any
It's not
better, man.
easy.
Hmm?
They like it.
No.
They like the man. They don't believe in a Let me tell you something. PNP people don't believe in a paying bills. Me tell you that. PNP people don't believe in a paying bills. PNP people don't, especially the one them in the ghetto in a town. Because you don't look around, you know. When PNP used to win election, you don't look around, you know. Then win the garrison, and then win out of Westmoreland where Michael Manley give them the free land. Once the kids them grow big and got college, Alex, and get educated, them now vote for PNP. Even them mother Michael Manley PNP, once them become adult and then get educated, then done with PNP. Because we realize, but wait, this not right.
Wow.
Yeah, they don't
Yeah,
want
because
Mrs.
why me
Portia
mention
Simpson
that-
Miller.
why me bring up the-
Chuck.
why me
Make
bring
some
up the-
house out of Delacree Park. For some PNP. This where she make the house. She know said nobody now go buy no house in there so. So she take taxpayer money or housing trust money, then the people in no work. Then the people in no housing trust, then the people in no salary. PNP people out of Delacree Park. Portia take housing trust money and make them house for the people them out there. So for PNP people who never work a day in their life. Listen me now. Is it from Portia getting in the house there? And no JPS don't put up the meter over there. I want them to know.
Wow. No.
And where then I throw up where over there. And they don't have the proper running water. I thief water.
Yeah, because why me bring up this question is, I remember, I think it was 1993, they had a war because they were fighting over 2 portable pit toilet. So
Yes.
I think after so much years now, they would have correct that, you know?
No, they not correct it. What? You crazy? They love it. They love when they go to the bathroom and do it, then your boof, it drop boof. They love it, man. You see, down a Central Kingston where JLP just win under Ronnie Tweets who say in the PNP preside over the greatest transfer of wealth from the poor to from the middle class people to rich people. And down this you want to go see poverty under the People's National Party.
Well, listen, if him cannot fix that condition in his constituency, him shouldn't be running. Mark shouldn't have run for no power.
No,
Because
man,
that
the people.
require
Alex,
no
let me
big
tell you
fix,
something.
you know?
Before the local government election, if Clean Green can't tell you, every night I go up on my platform and I talk about Crossroad Market or up the deplorable and up the stink and dirty and nasty. Anyway, look like this man sorry for them and give them some money for renovate it. You see, as soon as the Kingston and St. Andrew Mayor win this window, input ribbon and cut ribbon and go market and carry media, go and show media market. I know them fix it up, you know?
Yeah.
I know them fix it up, you know? And Desmond give them the money to fix it up because Desmond sorry for them, you know? Because not even running water never in the market, Alex. I wonder if you know.
Oh, wow.
Not even bathroom facility. Mister, when you go in a Crossroad Market and a beer PNP people selling a Crossroad Market. If you're not PNP, you can't go in a Crossroad Market. And if you ever go in there, go see flyer, magic, and worm and dog and everything on the Jesus under the People's National Party.
Yeah, I remember too, Monique police station was in a deplorable condition.
Yes.
And as soon as it fixed up, I saw Lisa Hannah went and was taking a
Yes.
photo
And
of her
so
in front of it.
They want to repeat, but they don't plant corn, but they don't plant the seed, you know. They don't plant seed, they don't water seed, they don't fertilize seed, but they want to reap crop. I saw the PNP steer. That is why Mark Jefferson Golden walk around for 3 years and tell the people them say, oh, Andrew, government are corrupt. While 5 members of the People's National Party, 5 members of the People's National Party, councillor and mayor, and 1 and 2, it is 2 MP, 1 farmer MP, and 2 municipality mayor under investigation for illicit enrichment as we speak. Labour right on the door afraid for going to the town and tell the people them the how it go. Don't be afraid to go in the town and tell the people them how it do. 2 PNP mayor, 2 PNP MP, and 1 farmer MP is under investigation as we speak for illicit enrichment. $30 million missing from the dirty municipality over, so don't know where me attack over Spanish Town. $30 million missing under the People's National Party.
Don't you trouble Zion.
Yes.
Municipal money, they might give the bad man if go buy a gun.
Yes, man. They can't put on past them. In a brown paper bag.
Is that a
If you
joke thing?
live in a
Is that a joke
glass
thing?
house, don't throw
It's a joke thing.
stone.
If you see the one order, if you see the clansman them, they get their money from the municipality.
Yeah, man. The municipality.
Yes.
Yes.
They use our buy gun with.
Yes. I see when time the Andrew Wallace-led administration clean up Spanish Town and lock up the damn them. You see the lazy mayor come out and talk about, oh, Spanish Town is ripe for investment now. Oh, why is ripe for investment? Because of Andrew Wallace. Not because of PNP. Because of the People's National Party and PJ Party. So you couldn't drive through Spanish Town.
Munchie, listen.
Yes.
Listen.
Don't choose to Markie Britain.
If you can't take
Don't
blows,
throw
brother,
blows.
don't throw blows.
Where the songwriter say?
Glass house.
Markie Britain.
Don't throw stone, Markie G.
If you can't take blows, brother, don't throw blows. Aye.
Where is Markie British? But he sent out statement this morning about say I 8 different people. Where is the evidence of that?
In a
Where is the
grassroots, Indiana
evidence
throw
of that?
stone.
Say a fight, I hate different people.
Yes, sir. And that the man say
But we
Munchie
don't do
say
that.
I know the same
Yes.
eight, a different eight.
Oh,
Munchie,
where's the evidence of that?
Munchie,
Wagwan Garvan.
how you do?
They upon it. They upon it.
How you
You hear what
mean?
going with the PNP?
How you mean? Hey, I tell you the
5
want
member
take,
of Mark Goal in PNP
how
under
you,
illicit enrichment investigation.
me want to take you from morning and tell you. From
Oh,
morning, man, come here.
Jesus.
No,
I
worry
hear say
yourself,
them here,
man.
them a thief out to the milk out of the coffee.
Yeah, no worry yourself, me dear. Oh, God bless, no man can curse
I hear
here.
say them here, them a thief out to the milk out of the coffee, guys.
Hey, you see all the one now Spanish town, you think easy?
Oh, Jesus.
You think easy?
Oh, Jesus.
Labor rights.
We have to see one of you to tell us about that demand.
Anthony.
Labor rights.
You mean?
Labor rights. When me there work, me can't even talk up my belly and ring your rock or jato.
Munchie,
You want me so I ring my belly and now till the tongue drop out.
what you mean?
Me tell you, trouble God put me, you know. Me always tell them that trouble God anointed.
I tell you, man.
Trouble you?
Andrew Owness is God's anointed.
Them better know that them are going like say PNP are sin. PNP are no sin.
385, 84 to me oh we go, $384,000.
Eh.
Yes.
You don't pressure the Prime Minister over.
I don't know fee money.
My little 2-year-old daughter have more than $384,000.
All right. I know his money. I know his own, you know. And parents' own. Right. You saw them one power. They don't do anything to get power.
Zion.
No trouble, Zion.
Munchie, I want to hear you, man.
Right now,
Trouble Zion, yeah?
Hey, I
why are you getting Kingston? Why are you just supposed to
Me telling you
Kingston?
now. Munchie will be back in 4 days' time.
I hope so.
4 days'
Rain
time.
will
Munchie will
fall
be
at
back.
Kingston right now.
She come off a line.
She'll be back. She'll be back.
All right.
4 days' time.
Yes, sir. We want our bad man. All right.
Poor thing, me, man.
You can't take me off a line. Me can't call Munchie on her phone. Me talk to her.
Andrew Wallace,
Alright.
Andrew Wallace,
Alright, man, what?
go be a man, go up with aisle for winning.
I wonder if we're not ready for the third term.
And the third term, we there fight for every day.
I wonder if Labour rights ready to put back Andrew Owness to work.
They better.
If they're ready,
They
I
better.
mean if we're not ready. We're ready long time, we do the work already, you know.
All Labour rights better be ready and when him call it, when he ring the bell, we just go to the poll, go do the right thing.
That's all you have to do is go to the poll. The thing done set already, you know. Me tell you
And
already,
we need
all
to
right,
win
from
early.
two, right. Make the thing done early, right.
When
the check
Andrew
already,
call
you know.
it, he need to win early.
Right.
And when
Good
I say
sound.
early, I mean from about 7 o'clock in the morning, then show I can declare Labour Party as the victor again.
I like how you say it.
And with a brush off with green shoes and with green suit for go back, go put the man in a garden house. Cause we not
That's right.
keep nothing to no long and drawn out, you know.
No long out thing, no long
Because
dirt.
we have the people's business to take care of.
That's right. The
We have road fix, we have house bill. And the first business so much work they do in Jamaica and the history. And we are 43.
The
We are
best
43
performing
Sunday they come and
government.
I cross. Never hear about so much work done in Jamaica.
I'm here 63, and I first never see so much project I done one time on a big project, and not on a dolly or something. We are talking about refurbish hospital, rebuild hospital from ground up, lay foundation to build several hospitals, refurbishing several clinics, rebuild new police station, refurbish police station, rebuild fire station, and at the same time refurbishing all different things. Car bus coming. Car are coming, bus are coming, new everything, equipment are coming. New, I want. Even myself, I saw where money come from.
Well,
Money
I
drop from the sky, all
Simone.
about.
Yeah,
Good evening, ma'am.
I'm here.
Money
Present
drop from
as a shower
heaven. Money
person.
drop.
Simone, where's Simone?
Just listen to them, you know, because them they are talk about $384,000. Them are talk about one bus fare from St. Thomas to go down a town.
Small change.
Some change.
I can't believe something like a rubbish like that.
300. Because yesterday me hear and I said we out of go on and carry on. Me I look for one 4 billion.
Millions. How much millions?
7 billion. Some hide.
Yeah, billions.
Billions, not even millions, billions.
Yeah, millions are small change now.
When me hear that's what them I hope to find.
Eh?
Then when me wake up,
That's
me
what them
see,
look fine now.
yeah, me see Cliff Hughes and Dayton Campbell. And Dayton Campbell up on allegedly. That's the only word me can hear come on time out. This morning. Cliff Hughes one of them and me see power little clippings with him.
Right, the bottom line is, all right, if you don't remember the whole saga in our 2016, 2020 election, that the whole saga, when they said we bingo car, we catch a scandal for the house and we are going to ride the home.
But I didn't lend him the money.
Right, and in the last week when Andrew revealed how he get everything, then left with the egg pan and face. It was the same thing.
Yeah.
Then if them wagon could they illicit 6. Say when it come out a pale labor right I go in there. And see you know.
Illicit 9, illicit what? 8 or 9 now.
Illicit 8.
Yeah.
a
Majority is from the PNP.
So when Markie G dig up on the stage and said, name them Andrew, name them because you know them and I know that you name them.
Him
Why
even name them too. No, but him they name him they name the jail pin. I mean, no, them never sue him feet, you know. Cause we have
sometimes.
now.
You know,
and I say, Andrew, Andrew, are you one of them?
Andrew use him humbleness and win.
Andrew use him what? Use the word humbleness.
Him too humble for one man.
No, because the man don't like dirty politics. Not the man soft, you know.
The Bible said, he that humbleth himself shall be exalted. But he that exalts himself shall be abased. So that's how reach them.
But me tell you already, so me declare to Jamaica and the world said, God told me in 2013 that this man was going to come and he was going to control as a chosen vessel to take Jamaica to a level. That's what I declare from long time.
Right, now I think we are second world, you know.
Okay, of course, yeah.
Andrew will bring this country to first world.
Yeah,
first
we are
world
second world now.
We are second now, we're going to enter to first. Yeah.
Stick up in, you know, so the other day, in a long while, I live at St. Thomas. Me no go Marant Bay. I'm going to go Marant Bay Friday gone. And when me see the project where I do over good year, me say, oh, them say nothing never ever do. The project over good year, me tell them, me say, please, me I beg people at Jamaica, just give more than PJ.
Then you know, so what got happen if we get the third when we get the third term.
But they already did the 2013,
you know, then buy again, you know. Plane.
Oh. Yeah, we're going to have back with Air Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
Me
everything was set, man.
When me say, oh, you want to the project
and train I run that Jamaica too. Train, for passenger train I run that Jamaica.
You know what happen? Everything where the PNP sell out, we buy them back.
But them not sell back JPS. Them not sell back cement company at the airport.
Can't afford them. We can't afford them.
Too much. They might make too much money now. We should have made them money there.
We should have made them money there. But we can afford it in because we have